Imagine turning 18 and suddenly realizing that nobody ever taught you how money actually works. You spent years learning algebra, history, and chemistry, but nobody explained credit cards, nobody talked about investing, and nobody warned you how expensive life really gets. The truth is, most adults are still figuring out money because they never learned these lessons when they were young. So if you're a teenager watching this, learning these 5 money lessons now could save you years of stress later. Let's get into it. Lesson number 1, making money is important, but keeping it is more important. A lot of people think becoming rich is all about earning more money. But here's something surprising. There are professional athletes and celebrities who made millions of dollars and still went broke. Why? Because income doesn't create wealth. Habits do. Imagine two people. Person A earns $3,000 a month and spends all of it. Person B earns $2,000 a month but saves and invests part of it every month. 10 years later, person B could actually have more money. The amount you keep matters more than the amount you make. So before chasing a bigger paycheck, learn how to manage the money you already have, because a leaking bucket never stays full. Lesson number 2, avoid lifestyle inflation. Have you ever noticed how people buy something new and feel happy for about 3 days? Then suddenly that excitement disappears. That's called lifestyle inflation. As people earn more money, they usually increase their spending too. New phone, new clothes, more subscriptions, more expensive habits, and somehow they're still broke. The problem isn't always low income, it's high expenses. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Rich people often delay gratification. They understand that temporary pleasure can destroy long-term freedom. Remember this. If every raise in income leads to more spending, you'll always feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck. Lesson number 3, start investing early because time is your superpower. Most teenagers think investing is something you do when you're older. But time is actually the biggest advantage young people have. Let's say two friends invest money. One starts at age 18. The other waits until age 28. Even if the second person invests more money every month, the person who started earlier can still end up with more because of compound growth. Think of compound interest like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it looks small, but over time it grows bigger and bigger. The earlier you start, the less money you need to reach your goals. That's why many wealthy people say, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Lesson number 4, financial freedom is better than looking rich. Social media makes it easy to believe that success means expensive cars, designer clothes, and showing off, but appearances can be misleading. Some people look rich and are drowning in debt, others look completely ordinary and have millions invested quietly. Real wealth isn't about impressing strangers, it's about having choices, being able to say, I don't have to take a job I hate. I can help my family, can travel. I can sleep peacefully without worrying about bills. That's what financial freedom really means, not showing people you're rich but not needing to. Nobody is born understanding money. It's a skill. And like every skill, it can be learned. If you're under 18, you're already ahead simply because you're learning these lessons early. And even if you're older, it's never too late to start. So which lesson do you think schools should teach more often? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my other video on why schools don't teach you about money. Thanks for watching.